Hi guys, this is Pallabi and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about the evolution of fashion in India, and by India I specifically mean Bollywood, post-independence. Now even before our freedom, India had a lot of potential, and one mention I'd like to make is of Maharani Gayatri Devi. I was sitting and wondering if it's even possible to recreate her beauty and elegance with those beautiful chiffon sarees and pearl jewelry. She was admired by men and idolized by almost every woman in that time. She was also once included in Vogue's 10 most beautiful women list. I can go on and on about her history and life's achievements, but we have Wikipedia for that. And if you're really interested, I'd suggest you to watch her interview with Simi Grewal, where she's 70 yet as beautiful and sophisticated as ever. I'll probably add a link to the video down in the description box below. Now coming back to the actual topic, we're all aware of the Khadi Swaraj movement led by Mahatma Gandhi, which urged the Indians to wear clothes made in India and promoted Khadi. It was a huge success back then, but was lost on its course of evolution considering how we're back to slogans like Vocal for Local and the Make in India campaign. Anyways, we're at our 74th Independence Day now, and here's a short video on how the independence impacted our fashion, how we evolved with the Western influence, and some fun. Bollywood during this time was modest and formal. Lehenga cholis and saris were the most popular. Bell sleeves and puff sleeves were introduced with some dramatic eyeliners. Fashion in 50s was minimal yet classy. Bell-bottom trousers were very popular. White pearls had become a staple piece of jewelry, especially after Madhubala flaunting them in Mughal-e-Azam. This is where the Western influence started to pour in. Crop tops and swimsuits were brought into limelight. The winged eyeliner was very much still in fashion, but the makeup was bold and powerful. The 70s decade saw a lot of color and experimental style. Some of the most memorable trends were cropped shirts, oversized glasses, platform heels, chokers, and the polka dots, more popularly known as the bobby print. The 80s, mostly referred to as the disco era, was mostly about blingy accessories and an overdose of metallic colors. This decade also witnessed the first generation of fashion designers such as Rohit Khosla and Satya Paul. Fashion inspired from movies ruled in the country. This era brought out Manish Malhotra, who contributed immensely to the Bollywood fashion. Saris, however, continued to be in the limelight. The new millennium saw several international brands setting up in India. The fashion designers experimented with new fashion every day. Saris now became more glamorous. Men's fashion was mostly about distressed jeans and cargo pants. Today, exclusive designs continue to rule Bollywood fashion, with trends changing almost as often as films at the box office. From the global attractiveness of Gayatri Devi, we've come to a full circle with our celebrities making a mark fashionably on the global platform.